All right, let's do a new tangle tutorial. So here we go. I've made a frame, and now I'm going to draw kind of a little bit of a curved line, aura it, and I'm going to do that all the way down to leave space in between for this fun zigzag. Once I put the zigzag in, I am going to aura each side alternating. So here's the aura of this side. I'm going to wait a little bit in the corner, and then I'm going to bring the other line down from the other side, wait a little bit in the corner. And I'm just going to keep doing this back and forth. The weighting is a great way to add contrast without putting graphite in small spaces so that your drawing doesn't look all gray and muddy. So you do this throughout in all the triangles that are facing one direction. Then once we get all of these done, we're going to flip it upside down and do the same thing the other way. Now, I get asked frequently what supplies I use. I do have a playlist of supplies I use to tangle. However, it's very important that everyone hear me say you don't need any special tools to do this. Any pen, any paper, any pencil. For me, as a certified Zentangle teacher, the point of doing this live almost 7 times a week for free is for people to have a tool in their toolbox to use, whether it's grief, anxiety, stress relief, whatever it's for, creativity. They have a tool in their toolbox. So you do not need special things. I still to this day have a bag in my purse that has a little pencil from a doctor's office, some paper. I keep envelopes from bills, and also I like to tangle on the outside of those. Plus, it makes me feel better that I'm tangling on the outside of what was a bill. But you don't need anything. When you're practicing something, take the recycling out of your recycling bin, open up that cereal box, take out a Sharpie or any pen or pencil, and tangle your favorite tangle on that. It's a great way for you to try it. It's a great way for you to reuse materials you already have. And in regards to shading, it's personal. I will always shade different than someone else will shade. So it's pen and pencil. If you don't like how you shaded, use an eraser, but don't overthink it. That's the biggest key, is we like to let our egos get in there and really determine what is perfect, and there's no such thing. So enjoy this tangle, and everybody have a great day.